Hello and welcome back to Passive Income Insiders. As promised, we're here with part 1 of a 2-part in-depth exploration of affiliate marketing. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss part 2. If you're ready to dive deeper into this lucrative avenue of online income, this is your must-watch guide. First things first, finding the right niche. This is crucial because it impacts the products you'll be promoting and the audience you'll be targeting. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and of course, market demand. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you could explore promoting fitness products or services. This is the example we will use for today, but the possibilities are endless. Once you've chosen a niche, you'll need to research products and services to promote. Look for high-quality offerings that solve problems for your target audience. Say, you're in the fitness niche. You might promote a popular protein supplement or workout equipment that's highly rated by users. You should also take note of the commission rate for each product. Amazon Associates program provides a variety of commission rates depending on the product category. After you've selected the products or services you want to promote, the next step is to join the relevant affiliate programs or networks. This can vary depending on your chosen niche and products. Today, we'll take a look at one of the most popular and accessible affiliate programs out there, Amazon Associates. The Amazon Associates program allows you to promote any product available on Amazon and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Whether you're in the fitness niche, tech, home decor, fashion, you name it, Amazon's vast catalog of products makes it a great starting point. To join the Amazon Associates program, first, you'll need to visit their website and click Join Now for free. You'll be asked to provide some information about your website, mobile app, or YouTube channel where you'll promote their products. You'll also need to fill in some tax information. Once your account is approved, you can start adding Amazon affiliate links to your content. You can create these links by hovering over product linking, then click on product links, then click on link to any page. Copy the URL from the Amazon product you want to promote and paste it into the box. Name your link and click Get HTML. Each link is embedded with your unique Associates ID. This is how Amazon tracks the sales referred from your site. The process is quite simple and straightforward, but incredibly effective. Remember, the key to affiliate marketing success, especially on Amazon, is to promote products that are highly relevant to your audience and your content. This relevance makes the buying process feel more natural and less salesy to your audience. That's it for today, folks. We've covered quite a lot. We talked about choosing your niche, how to research products, and joining affiliate programs, particularly Amazon Associates. It's a lot to take in, but don't worry. In our next video, we'll be diving into creating engaging YouTube content, how to drive traffic to your videos, and more. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends interested in making money online. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss part 2 of our affiliate marketing series. As always, if you have any questions or need more clarification on anything we discussed today, please drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you.